What is up, guys? It is Captain Chewy here, bringing you guys my update. Not really anything got going on. Been fighting in 16, trying to stay in 16, and then this morning, boom, we had a giant win streak just unlocked, and I kind of unlocked some other stuff. I had saved up a bunch of keys, and I was just gonna open up 6ER without the building health, and just go on with it. But I decided, I went back, and so I grabbed seekers, I grabbed shock launchers, I grabbed building. No, I did not. I grabbed building health. Brick is level 2. I got a tech tree mechs or 1. I'm not really using the mechs anymore. We did use the warriors for a long time. But anyways, let's get in here and show you these attacks that we got going on. Some pretty decent attacks. 243 is not a bad. And this was on a 6ER. This was like, holy cow! First battle of the day. He had no building health, which immediately I was like, yes, I'm glad I did not go 6ER and not have building health. So, kind of that, that whole thing, I'm just glad I didn't go. So I've got the laser rangers, I've got, guys, it was, 3 barrages, 1 critter box. I guess I could get the peanut butter and jelly, but critter box is just about as good. Then they got up there in that dirty little section with lasers and just kind of took everything out. Those lasers really did all the hard work there, especially getting in battle orders. Boom. Now, after building this base that I have here, this base has helped a little bit. I did have a crappy base, and this guy, I think he heavy choppered me. Yeah, he heavy rocket chopper. 4 times it. And he started rushing at the end. I think he would have done better, but he pre-me'd. This was another same thing. We went with our guys here. And I will admit, I did get some really lucky bases here. Just like, probably wouldn't have gotten because of what level I'm at as rank 16 at this point. It was like 4 battles, 15 stars apiece, to get out of 17. But yeah. Boom. That was supposed to be barrage at the end, but it wasn't. Maybe smoke. You smoke. I did get some seeker hits in here. I think this is no, this is just really good. I think I barred out the top. Yeah, I barred out the top. He didn't have building health. If I'm watching for building health now, it's to barrage you. Flare it up. Those little guys up there are gonna do the trick. Victory screech. That's what I'm talking about. This was a slow one, but I still won. He took a really long time on my base. Same, he didn't have building health. Was able to barrage it out. I do have max barrage. And just keeping everything shocked. He did take out a lot of my troops. And so I was frantic. I was like, oh god, I'm not going to have enough bombardiers to finish him off. But the critters came in clutch. We've been cursing critters all season, and now we're like, yay, critters, yay. Show you his attack. He was what he did. Mechs, bombas. Drop Kavan at the end. I'm not sure what the flare in there was in the middle for, and that was probably not the best decision on his end. I don't know. Anyways. Should've just let him go. He killed Kavan. Oh yeah. This was another 6 ER, which I'm like, holy bananas. How did this happen? Well, we barred out the top. I actually think this guy did have building health. Dropped one critter box. I dropped one more critter box. There's 2 critter boxes. And that's enough to take it out. Then we're gonna flare. Oh, it's 3 critter boxes. Dang. 3 barrage, 3 critters. For that one. And a lot of that was because of his shock launcher there. Again, critters clutch again, just close range, man. The Rangers, they do so much damage close range. Don't be sending this guy any emails. This was a seeker hit. Seekers! I sent him out. We barred out this front one. He had building health, of course. And then there was I have to use a critter box to make it explode. It's 1 critter box. This was just a good seeker hit, good opportunity. Bases were just set right just for it. Yeah. Yeah. Victory screech. What I'm talking about. You know, one of those deals. This guy was another slow one, but I was able to do it faster than he was. Okay, I know what I did here. I was like, I'm missing boats. What else did I drop? I know what I dropped next. Delayed 2 boats. Here. Here comes my other 2 boats, and they are seekers. Again, critters coming in clutch. Critters for the win up there. And finish him off. 3 bombas left. A few little bit of seekers. That was a scary one. This guy, he disconnected. pretty much did the same thing. He had building health, so it was 4 barrages, 1 critter box. Then just flared, Hail Mary flared the last ERs. This is a pretty good one, 235, just a pretty quick one. And then I'm gonna bar it out. I'm gonna bar it out that one. This one got a little sketch because of the flamethrower and the machine gun. Another one. I was like, yeah, we got this. But 1 critter box should have been able to take that out, but it didn't. I had to drop another one. Oh, I had to drop another one. Yeah, that flamethrower was just mean. It was just mean. That was, for Bart now, that was, you're gonna defend that. That's how you do it right there. That's how you do it right there. Now, this guy, for my rank 18 battle. Such a gimme. It sucked, actually. In the shed. 4 ER. Kind of felt a little bad. But this was dirty. That's a lot of bait. If I wouldn't have had bombas, this would have been a really hard base. I mean, I guess I could have flared to the top or something, or done something stupid. Warriors, maybe. I don't know. Warriors might have been a good suggestion for that one. But anyways, that got us, boom, rank 18 with 12 stars to go along with it. So there's room to push, which I will be doing. I'm about to have to go to work. I got to work closing shift tonight. So we'll see. Hey, diamond is in sight. So we'll see how it goes. Anyways, that's the update for me, guys. I tried doing a live the other day, it didn't work. Got some stuff boogered up. I ain't been on it in forever. I ain't had time. So it's not like I can just get on here and just fire one up. It's hard. It's not just that easy. I wish it was. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna jump off here. Guys, remember, I love you. Make sure you go tell someone else you love them. And guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.